Welcome to the Blossoming Heart Institute. I'm Robbi Zeck. I'm so delighted to have you here for this virtual Blossoming Heart journey. I live in Ballarat, central Victoria, Australia, which is an old gold rush town with magnificent heritage homes and beautiful botanical gardens. We live 5 minutes out of town on 5 acres with an astonishing bird life, a family of kangaroos and a garden which provides me endless satisfaction and joy. I adore my garden, and you will find me there on most days, creating pockets of beauty here and there. I gather heartfelt inspiration from the quiet solitude of the garden to create an ambience that can be felt deeply in the heart. I truly believe that an inviting and peaceful home is a reflection of our inner life. When we create such a sanctuary for ourselves within our hearts, we create an unwavering presence. All we need to do is take a quiet pause to find the treasure there. The publication of The Blossoming Heart some years ago made me aware that I am not alone in my love for plant aromatics, and also that most of us long for deeper heart connections with ourselves and others. I have often been asked, what is a blossoming heart? Have you ever wondered about the emotional qualities of your heart? What makes it sing? What makes it sad, satisfied, fearful, joyful, or loving? Beauty, nature, and peaceful surroundings have always nurtured my blossoming heart. When we stay connected to our hearts, we stay congruent with our values, set clear intentions, take courageous action, feel calm, centered, and joyful, and we can befriend ourselves lovingly. I have come to realize that the best way to create heart space where we make room in our hearts for ourselves is to move away from distraction. And in taking a gentle step back, we allow our hearts to rest, reset, and be refreshed so that our heart light can switch on. In these quiet moments, we can really listen to the sound of our heart's desires. Mindful attention is a refined act of loving connection, and I trust that what you discover in these pages will turn you gently towards the light that sparks your heart. When we tune into the frequency of the blossoming heart, our capacity for love, joy, connection to others, and a sense of belonging increases. Personal presence and self-confidence is also boosted. The benefits of pausing for your blossoming heart arise in 3 primary ways. Inspiration for wherever you may be right now in your life. Rekindling the flame of all that makes your heart sing. Honouring and celebrating your uniqueness so that you truly feel at home in yourself. I am thrilled that you've joined me for the Blossoming Heart Online. I am looking forward to sharing this program with you, and so glad that you are here to nurture and nourish your beautiful blossoming heart.